How to optimize battery in Moto G8 Plus. Click here, type battery, and we can go for the apps and notification battery optimize. Click here, and now select all apps. And if you click, for example, to the ad block, we can choose don't optimize, optimize. So I will leave with the optimize, and you can go with another application like that with all of them. So go back, there's the second way to do this. Go to the battery saver, and now just click on the battery saver to turn on. And since now your battery life will be much longer. So thank you for the watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.